It's time for laughs, it's time for fun, it's time to learn for everyone at Nana's Cooking Craft Corner.
Hi, and welcome back to Nana's Cooking Craft Corner. And on this video, you're going to make this lovely little heart, hanging heart for Valentine's Day. Well, first you need a template. So I took an 8.5 by 11 paper, put it in half, and cut the shape of the heart, and it looks like that. Now it doesn't have to be that size, you can do any size you want. And then you're going to take this and trace it out on cardboard, cut it out, and it will look like this. Ta-da! Okay, we're going to take some red acrylic paint, and I poured it already over here. And you're going to take this and you're going to do one side and let it dry because it's cardboard, it takes a while to dry. And you're going to flip it around and paint the other side and let it completely dry. So voila, the power of editing. The next you're going to do, you can take ribbon or anything you want, but this is cord, and I'm going to take it, and what I did on mine is I did a braid with it. So you're going to over, and I also glued the tip because it's easier to insert in the hole. Like that, and we're going to keep doing this till we have enough string for the heart. You are my girl, my one and only girl, and you make me happy when everything you say. You make me wanna sing, wanna dance, wanna craft, everything I wanna do is for you. Okay, I'm gonna put the holes through. They gotta go on both sides of the heart. Now I took the needle tool and we're gonna make a hole through it. It might take a little bit of effort here, putting it through, and that's what it did. It did for me. Yay! It went over here, and about the same distance over here. You know, when I'm happy, I like to sing a song. It makes the whole world sing with me, and you can sing along. So let's get happy and jump around and shout for joy, 'cause my lacy boo's around. Okay, so now I'm going to take some coffee filters. You just need one at a time. And we'll take from the center and roll it up. And it looks like that. I have a whole bunch here, but we need quite a few. And I'm going to take the glue gun and I'm going to start like right down here a little bit. And I'm going to start laying it here. Okay, I am going to do something here. We are going to put the gloves on, and I think it's a good idea. You don't have to, but I don't want my hands dyed. So, you're going to take, this is a stamping ink refill, right here, and I have a little dropper you can find on Amazon and that, and you add some water and about 5 drops of this. Now, this is going to make a mess, so I advise you not to do what I'm doing here because I'm only going to do this for the video. But I would do it over a sink or somewhere where, because it sprays a lot. So I'm just going to show you a little dab of what I did, and then I'm going to do the rest off camera. Okay, that's what you do. And if you like this video, please leave comments and send me pictures of the things you make. I'd appreciate that. And they might be featured in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching.